Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Adobe Acrobat isn't working on your Mac in 2026, don't panic. So whether Acrobat won't open, crashes on startup, freezes when opening PDFs, or simply stops responding, the issue is usually caused by corrupted preferences, outdated software, Mac OS compatibility problems, or damaged installation files. Okay, so the good news, most Adobe Acrobat problems on Mac can be fixed in just a few minutes. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to solve this problem. So first thing you can do is force quit Acrobat and reopen it. Like sometimes Acrobat gets stuck in the background, so click the Apple menu, force quit, select Adobe Acrobat, click force quit and reopen Acrobat. So clears this, it clears the temporary software glitches, restarts background processes, and this is often enough to fix random freezes. Okay, you can also restart your Mac, like before trying advanced troubleshooting. Save your work, restart your Mac, launch Acrobat again. It clears temporary system issues and refreshes Mac OS services. So a simple restart solves more problems than most users expect. You can also update Adobe Acrobat, like an outdated version may stop working after Mac OS updates, so open Acrobat if possible, go to help, check for updates and install available updates. So it fixes bugs, improves compatibility with newer Mac OS versions, and always use the latest Acrobat release. You can also update Mac OS, like older Mac OS version can cause compatibility issues, so open system settings, general software updates, and install available updates. So it fixes operating system bugs and improves Adobe compatibility. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.